was just gazing out the window while I was in my map book, and everything just connected because, if you look out in the sky right now, we are actually in outer space right now. The Artemis 2 spacecraft just made a lap around the moon, and it's on its way back to Earth right now. And it's so fascinating. You gotta be fascinated with this kind of stuff because, it just goes back to the principles, universal laws. For them to have such precision in this journey, you have to know the math. You gotta know laws. You have to flow with the laws of nature, laws of the universe, because that's the way that they were able to go and come back to Earth. And on top of all that, faith is there too, because they're leaving their home, which is this Earth that we're living on, this place where we are all one, right? And we actually made that lap, and that's why we should feel so good, because they came from this planet that we are on right now. So we actually just went the furthest in outer space in history. Went around the moon. If you're not in tune with what's going on with the Artemis 2, just type it up, look it up, read into it, and see the trajectory that the spacecraft had to go on in order to get around the moon, and the precision and the time, everything had to be on point, right? And it had to go on orbit with the Earth, to get more velocity, to go out and get to the moon. And then once it got in the moon's orbit pulled it in as it was circling around the moon. And then once it circles around the moon, then they go and use their thrusters to get them back towards Earth. And they're on the way to Earth right now. And this is such an amazing thing that happened, and it's happening right now. We're waiting for them to come and splash down. But this is a human, it's just a perspective and how you gotta look at, our species. Like, we are all one, right?